Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Haikal. In this video, I will show you how to make a Google account.
First step, open the browser that you have in your laptop and then tap on the search bar accounts.google.com/sign up and then enter it. After that, fill the form and then next. After that, enter your phone number. Okay. After that, enter the verification number that that have been sent to your phone. And then verify. And then fill the form again. And then fill your gender and click next. Finally, you can use your account from now, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope this video is helpful, and see you next time. Goodbye.